Take a slow breath. Today's meditation is a search of exhilaration, a call to reclaim the earth beneath your soul. Today, we unite, calm as the deep earth, steady as ancient stone, powerful as the rising flame. Hold your eyes to one point and feel your strength awaken. Open your mind to a perspective that very few have dared to speak aloud. Today, we explore an idea that could transform everything. An idea with the power to condemn darkness, evil, and fear from the earth forever. But first, let's acknowledge a truth. Religion, belief, and ideology, as sacred as they can be, have also caused division. They have sparked conflict, confusion, and even war. For centuries, humanity has drawn lines in the sand, fought battles over interpretation, and allowed fear to masquerade as righteousness. Yet beneath these divisions, beneath labels, borders, and doctrine, there exists a deeper, older truth. A unity of light that has always been present. A spiritual alliance no one dares to name. We call it the Spiritual NATO. Every day, the world shows us darkness. It whispers, "You are alone. You are separate. You are powerless." But here's the secret. Darkness thrives only where there is separation, where there is division, confusion, and fear. And where there is unity, clarity, and courage, darkness has no power. Now imagine something extraordinary. Imagine a coalition, not of nations, but of spiritual forces. A coordinated alliance of God, Allah, the eternal source, Jesus, the prophets, Judaism's ancient wisdom, Buddhist insight. Each unit unique in method, all working toward the same mission: to elevate humanity, dissolve suffering, and eliminate darkness from the earth. Every alliance needs a headquarters. Here, the supreme command is God, Allah, the one source. The origin of all light, all consciousness, all love. This HQ does not rule through fear. It guides through wisdom. It harmonizes, unites, and illuminates. Its mission? To ensure every force in the coalition works together for the ultimate protection and awakening of humanity. Next up in the specialized unit, we have Christianity. Jesus, the frontline commander. Jesus embodies compassion in action. He walks the battlefield of human suffering. He teaches, forgive, sacrifice, love, transform darkness with light. Imagine him leading the front lines, showing humanity the way through example, courage, and humility. Then we have Islam, the liaison officer, the prophets that carry clarity from headquarters. They guide humanity with structure, ethics, and moral wisdom. They ensure that the mission of light is never distorted. They are the diplomats of divine truth, the bridge between heaven and earth. Then there's Judaism, the strategic command center. Judaism safeguards ancient wisdom, law, and covenant. It keeps the Alliance's mission coherent, anchored, and principled. It is the strategic brain behind every action, ensuring humanity doesn't lose its way. Then we have Buddhism. This is the independent unit. Buddhism acts as the scout, the observer, the trainer. It explores the inner terrain of the mind, shows humans how to awaken, how to break the cycles of suffering, how to stand free of illusion. And even without a central headquarters, it complements the mission perfectly. Now, imagine all these forces aligned. We have the supreme command, God, Allah, guiding the mission. Jesus, leading compassion on the front lines. Prophets delivering clarity. Ancient laws preserving structure. Buddhist scouts illuminating the inner path. Together, they form a shield of light across the earth. And here's the truth. Darkness cannot survive this unity. Chaos cannot withstand clarity. Fear cannot exist where love and awareness prevail. This is the spiritual NATO, the coalition that can ultimately eliminate darkness and evil from our world. And here is the most powerful part. You are part of this coalition. When you act with compassion, you walk with Jesus. When you live with clarity and discipline, you walk with the prophets. When you honor truth and ethics, you stand with the ancient strategists. And when you cultivate awareness, you walk with the Buddhist scouts. And when you choose love over fear, you align directly with the supreme command, God. You are not powerless. You are a living member of the Alliance, and your actions, even small, push darkness back. Take a breath. Feel your spirit rise. And say silently, today, I stand with the coalition of light. Today, I choose clarity over confusion, unity over division, love over fear, awakening over darkness. Today, I walk with the spiritual NATO, protecting humanity and dissolving evil from the earth. Let this truth guide your steps. Carry this light with you through your day and watch as darkness loses its power, simply because you refuse to be divided. Now remember, the spiritual NATO is not just an idea. It is a living, active force. And you are a part of it. Walk boldly today. Walk with unity, clarity, and love. And together, the coalition will ensure that darkness can no longer dominate this world. If this devotion touched your heart, please like, share, and add a comment. Your voice matters. Stay tuned for more uplifting, exhilarating, and relaxing reflections. Thank you for listening.